In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can fix iPhone 16 Pro Max, no service or SIM not working. So without further ado and not wasting any time, let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing that we need to do is head over to our settings. From here we need to go down, select cellular, and then what we now need to do is we need to go to where it says network selection, click on this, and then you want to turn this off automatic. Once you do this, as you can see, there is different providers right here. Now you want to select the one which you are currently on. So for me, it would be O2 UK. You can select any one of these on which is most relevant to you. Now the second setting that we could change is if we head over to our settings, what we now need to do is we need to scroll down until we see the option for screen time. Scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions, and then you want to disable content and privacy restrictions because this could be in conflict with your SIM card provider. So if none of those options do work, the last and final option that we can try is to head over to settings, and then you want to click on general, scroll down to the bottom and then select transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset right here. Now once you click on reset, that will essentially just refresh your whole device, and then once you do this, you can then take out the SIM and then reinsert the SIM, and then you should be good to go, and then your SIM should be working and you should have full service. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.